We are going to pick some kale leaves also to put in our salad. We are growing kale in this raised bed. We can pick few spinach leaves also. We are going to pick some cilantro also, fresh cilantro. It's easy to grow cilantro. You just sprinkle the coriander seeds and it will grow cilantro. We will put this in our salad. Kale. Spinach. Cilantro. We can put kale and spinach as the base. Then radish. Onion. Add the cilantro. Few dried cranberries. A clove of garlic, sliced almonds, and few walnuts. We are going to add Tuscan herb infused olive oil as the dressing. Juice of half a lemon. A pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Now we can mix everything well. Our radish salad is ready.